Do you want to learn how to create a distribution group in Windows Server 2022 Active Directory? Because you need to watch this entire video to learn how. To create a distribution group, we first need to select an organizational unit or container to store it in. In this case, we are going to use Pearson-Hardeman. You have two options to create a distribution group. You can either go up to this icon on the toolbar or right-click inside your organizational unit, which will bring a context menu, select New and Group. This will bring up a new object for group, and you want to give the group a name. We're going to go with Paralegal. Next, we need to select a group type. In this case, we do not need security, but we need to toggle distribution. Depending on your organizational requirements, you may need to adjust the group scope. By default, it will select global automatically, but this will be okay for now. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. Once you have created the distribution group, it will appear inside the container or organizational unit you have selected. It will appear with the name and distribution group type. It will be either local, global, or universal, depending on the scope that you have selected earlier. So what have you learnt so far? We have shown you how easy and simple it is to create a distribution group for Active Directory in Windows Server 2022. Please consider becoming a patron because we need your help to continue and improve our content. You should watch this next video because you need to carry on your educational journey because it will help us in order to help you. So click it now. So be awesome and give it a click.